What's going on, everybody? I am watching people cut lanes for no stupid reason. Anyways, I am headed to a military surplus store real quick. I don't know how many people wear camelbacks or similar packs, but over time these little strap things fall off, or they break, or they get old, and you get big flappy things. Pisses me off. So look at this shit. What are you doing, old lady? She's stopped here. Go. Go. Oh my god. Oh man, that old lady is going to get herself or somebody else killed. She just stopped in the middle of the road waiting for a green light. No idea why. No idea. Anyways, so part one of my talk here is I had mentioned customizing a bike, or working on it, fixing it up, and I wanted to make a differentiation between customizing and modifying. Now, when I say to modify a bike, I mean like to modify the way it works. When I say to customize, I mean more like accessorize. And now I don't mean to be mean here, but to be statistically correct, a lot of Harley riders customize, they accessorize, they bolt on, chrome this and chrome that, because whatever, it's the look, I guess, which it's just stupid. I don't like it. But anyways, and because I think that there's a certain amount of customizing that comes with modifying. Like I had to get a new seat on, and it's red and black. And the only reason why it's red and black is because I like red and black, and because I got a really good deal on it. The guy who did this did it for $60, and it was $60 all black or $60 black and red. So I kind of went for the customizing route, because it's something that needed to get done. My old seat was cracking apart, and if I could, I wanted to go with something that would look nice. So I kind of was alright with getting the customized, accessorized version. But almost everything else that I would want to do would be modifying, for a performance or similar. I'm not much for just bolting on something because it's shiny, although I do like shiny. Like I put bar ends on this, and they're just black. It was partially because of something that was annoying me, because these bars were just open. And also because if I do lay it down, I wanted to have something that would kind of raise up the point of contact a little bit, because now it's a little bit safer for like the entire engine, actually, because instead of touching here, it'll raise that angle up, it'll touch a little bit further away, so it helps to protect the bike a little bit, not a lot. Oh, that sounded nice. Anyways, but I'm not really too much into the actual accessorizing my bike, like putting on something just because it's one more shiny thing or shit like that. It's not my thing, really. So let me know what you guys think. Are you more of the modify route, or are you more of the customized route? So yeah, leave me a comment down below, and let me know what you guys do. What route you guys take when you're thinking about your bike? And yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Ride safe. Later. What? There's 2 tractors. Alrighty. Part 1 of the Squid Diaries. So I'll be honest, I definitely don't always wear my gear. And right now it's kind of more of a more of a laziness thing than anything, but you really should. Like, I do my absolute best to try and wear my gear as much as possible. The thing that gets me to do that the most is, like, I'll see a moto vlogger, like when Jake the Guard Snake, when he crashed, and it just, you know, and it happens even when you're not doing something that's going to obviously precipitate it. Like, I mean, he was just kind of hanging out, riding down, and he just kind of played around a little bit like that, and it got too much, and boom, down he went, and he wasn't wearing his rock jeans. Hi, fucker. Hi. So he went down and took a nice little slab out of his knee. Not very enjoyable, if I do say so myself. Can't say I've been down just yet, but I know he definitely didn't enjoy it. So, you know, it kind of opens your eyes to realizing just how easy it really is to get in that position. So you try not to with, you know, your driving and stuff like that, but it is kind of a little inevitable.